Good morning, students. This is a canal. We have to find out the width of this canal. The width of the canal is PR. This is the width of the canal, and PQR is a right angle triangle. To find the width of the canal in right angle triangle PQR, right angled triangle PQR, by Pythagoras theorem, 13 square is equal to 5 square plus PR square. This is Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of base and perpendicular, or you can say the longest side square is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two shorter sides. Longest side is opposite to 90-degree angle. 13 square, 13 into 13, 169. 5 square, 5 into 5, 25. Now students, you see 169 minus 25 is equal to PR square. Here again you see PR square is equal to 169 minus 25 is 144. Taking square root on both sides, this will become square root of the left hand side, also square root of the right hand side. So PR is going to be 12 meters. So you can say the width of the canal is 12 meters. Secondly, we have to find the angle PQR in radians. PQR, this is the angle PQR. In right angle triangle PQR, sine of is equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse. This is now 12 meters, 12 over 13. So angle PQR is equal to sine inverse of 12 over 13. Now we will use scientific calculator to find the value of angle PQR, shift sine 12/13. This is 67.4 degrees. 67.4 degrees. In the question, it has been asked to find the angle in radians. To find the angle in radians, we multiply 67.4 by pi over 180. Now it will become angle in radian. So angle PQR is equal to, let us calculate, 667.4 multiplied by this and then divided by 180, 1.18 is equal to 1.18 radians. So we have calculated angle PQR as well as the width of the river, which is 12 meters. Given diagram, we have to find the value of x. In right angle triangle, ABD, ABD, this triangle, by Pythagoras theorem, the side opposite to 90 degrees is the longest side square is equal to sum of the squares of other two shorter sides, 10 square plus BD. Now you see 17 square is going to be 289. 10 tens are 100. In the next step, transpose 100 to the left hand side. 289 minus 100 is equal to BD square. 289 minus 100 is 189. BD square is equal to 189. Taking square root on both sides, it will become BD Measurement of BD is equal to square root of 189. It is in centimeters. So now BD is going to be square root of 189. This is BD. Now in right angle triangle BCD, this one, actually we have to find out X. In right angled triangle BCD, you see, by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square, which is opposite to 90 degrees, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of base and perpendicular. Now this is 189 is equal to x square plus 8 8s are 64. 189 minus 64, that is transposing 64 to the left hand side, is equal to x square. You can say x square is equal to 125. Again, taking square root on both sides, root on both sides, x square, square root of x square is equal to square root of 125. Therefore, x is equal to 5 into square root of 5 centimeters. So you have found x, value of x. Given question number 8, given rectangular field ABCD, measurement of AB is x plus 7 meters, measurement of BC is x meters, and the measurement of diagonal AC is x plus 9 meters. We want to find out the value of x. In right angle triangle ABC, by Pythagoras theorem, longest side square is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two shorter sides. Or you can say hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. X square plus 2 into x into 9 plus 9 square is equal to x square plus 2 into x into 7 plus 7 square plus x square. Now simplifying, x square, 2 9s are 18 plus 18x, 9 9s are 81 plus 81, x square plus 2 7s are 14x plus 7 7s are 49 plus x square. Again simplifying, x square plus 18x plus 81, x square plus x square is going to be 2x square plus 14x plus 49. 2x square plus 14x plus 49 minus x square minus 18x minus 81 is equal to 0. 2x square minus x square is positive x square plus 14x minus 18x is equal to minus 4x plus 49 minus 81 minus 32 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let us solve it by factorizing. X square minus 8x plus 4x minus 32 is equal to 0. In the first two terms, x is common, x minus 8. In the last two terms, plus 4 is common, x minus 8 is equal to 0. X minus 8 is common. So here comes x plus 4 is equal to 0. Since product of two linear factors is 0, this is only possible either x minus 8 is 0 or x plus 4 is 0 or both the linear factors are 0. Either x minus 8 is 0, this implies that x is equal to 8, or x plus 4 is equal to 0, this implies that x is equal to minus 4. X is actually the length of a side of a rectangle. This length can never be negative, so this value is rejected. 8 meters, so x is equal to 8 meters.